As the Russia-Ukraine war enters its third year, its toll remains devastating with countless lives lost and communities shattered. Amidst this ongoing conflict, a significant number of people have been forced to flee their homes, seeking refuge in neighboring countries and leaving behind their livelihoods. One of the major obstacles hindering Ukraine's economic recovery is the severe labor shortage. This shortage adds complexity to the country's efforts to rebuild, especially businesses adapting to the conflict and search for opportunities amidst the chaos. The departure of skilled workers worsen the already challenging situation, forcing companies to innovate and adapt to fill the gaps left behind. Despite the grim circumstances, Ukraine is striving to rebuild from scratch. While the eastern regions bear the scars of relentless conflict, signs of hope emerge in the western regions. Urban centers witness a surge in new businesses, offering a glimmer of economic revitalization amidst the devastation. Although Ukraine's economy shows signs of rebounding, challenges persist. Sectors like construction and transport lead the resurgence, but industries like steel remain crippled. Job vacancies surge, particularly in western regions, where the labor market struggles to cope with mass emigration and military service. Behind the grim statistics lie stories of resilience and determination. Families uprooted by conflict remain steadfast in their commitment to rebuilding their lives and their nation. As Ukraine navigates the turbulent waters of war and economic upheaval, uncertainty looms large. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is a glimmer of hope, a belief in the indomitable spirit of the Ukrainian people and their unwavering resolve to overcome adversity and rebuild their nation.